Most of you already know a lot about the beneficial properties of tomatoes, but not everyone knows that you can cure varicose veins naturally with the help of tomatoes. Tomato has healing properties because of an aspirin-like substance found in the fruit. This acid is considered to be an anticoagulant and natural blood thinner. In addition, tomato has flavonoids that strengthen the blood vessel walls. There are two great natural remedies for varicose veins using green and red ripe tomatoes. Varicose veins natural treatment with green tomatoes. Green tomato is a very simple home remedy to get rid of varicose veins. All you need to do is wash a few green tomatoes and cut them into circular slices. Then place the slices of green tomatoes on the nodes of varicose veins and the vein capillary network. If necessary, fixate them with some bandage. Keep the tomato slices at these locations until you feel a tingling sensation on the skin. If you cannot stand the feeling, remove the tomato slices as soon as you feel a burning sensation, and wash the veins with cold water. The results will be visible very soon if this procedure goes well. For better results, repeat the procedure 5 times a day, continuously. 2 weeks after you started this natural treatment, the venous nodes will start to fade. The swelling, capillary network, pain and nodes in the veins will eventually disappear. Varicose veins home treatment with red ripe tomatoes. This procedure is almost the same as the one with the green tomatoes. Wash a few ripe tomatoes, cut them into thin slices and put them on the painful veins for 3 to 4 hours. Use some bandages to fixate them properly. Wait some time and replace the tomatoes with new ones. The best time to do this procedure is during the evening or at night. The duration of the treatment is individual. You can also do this home treatment combining with green tomatoes. If you like this content and you think it will help get you moving again, please take a moment to like and subscribe. We look forward to providing you with more healthy content.